What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the episode. Today is some random time in April. We're by a creek that's right near my house. They just stocked the trout, put a bunch in, a couple buckets. We got the fly rod, and we're going to go out to this creek, and we're hopefully going to catch a bunch on the fly. We're going to use nymphs, salmon egg patterns, streamers, hopefully if I don't snag them. All sorts of things to catch them on the fly. This video is for you fly guys that keep asking me for fly videos, so hopefully you guys enjoy this. And if you do, make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get straight into the fishing. I'm catching a couple here and there.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, see, you just missed one there.
Okay.
Yep.
Is there a lot in here?
Yeah, they stocked it yesterday.
Yeah. A lot of guys get them, though?
I'd say about 30 of them have been taken out by now, but there's still probably 40 plus left in here, and they're hungry.
Yeah.
I've just been so bored of using my spinning rod that I wanted to do something different, so... There we go.
Oh, there you go.
On the...
Well, it wouldn't have stopped. It would have stopped raining.
Yep.
Now that I stopped.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's supposed to like storm at some point. Oh, there we go. Got one on the nymph.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got one on the nymph. Yeah. Wasn't paying attention. It's like a 9-incher. What? Oh yeah, I am recording. I didn't realize I was recording. What? Yes, sir. But just wait, you should see how small it is. It's like really small. Yo, it was pretty insane, but you seemed like you were enjoying 420 at some point in the video.
Well, like right where the bridge ends. Maybe a little bit further closer.
There he is.
Decent, right?
No.
Yeah, definitely. catching all the small ones. Like I'm telling you, I didn't catch too many. I only caught 2 like that size.
Florida is so fun. I really want to catch steelhead on these. You need to get a proper. I mean, first of all, you need to get a proper fly rod.
Wow. I mean, not proper fly, but a fly rod.
Well, this is a proper fly rod.
I know. But I mean, so,
This is only $140.
well, I don't have anything.
Well, I mean,
Actually,
I'll just get you another cascade discount. If it's 140, it's 30% off.
What weight would you use for a
Steelhead? You'd need like a 7, or at least like a 6 or 7. But you could use a 4 weight.
It's actually not a bad size. Man.
You could use it.
It's just that weird color.
Yeah.
A weird spotty shape too.
You could use a 4 weight, but I mean, it would literally take you 20 minutes to reel in, and we'd get more of those comments. Oh, you're killing the fish.
Send it on one of the small deformed ones.
Really?
Look at this thing. Yeah, why are the small ones always so like dark and like actually kind of decent like color looking wise? Like they have so much more spots. Like look at that. Jimmy. Like the red's so much like
Yeah.
these weird small ones are. Do you want to go now?
There he is. What? Yeah, I got a fish. See you later, buddy. Oh, there's one. They're also, no wonder I was missing bites. Look how tiny they are. There he is. Whoa. Oh boy. That was a feisty one. There it is. process. No wonder they're all so hard to hook. Like they just dumped like. Well, I'm sure there's some like 10-inch